Hi, this is Val with Living Divine. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Living Divine, L-I-V-I-N, no G, _divine, or on Facebook at Living Divine Locs and Fitness. So I started not to do this video or record this video simply because I just did a video about a twist out. I did my very first twist out on damp hair a couple of days ago because I'd never done a twist out. I wanted something different with my hair and I really liked the way that looked. Well, I decided that I wanted the twist to be a little tighter. So I was just doing it for myself. I recorded it. Gave myself a really good deep conditioner. I do that probably, I condition my hair every time I wash it, but it's not always a deep conditioner. I do a deep conditioner, or I try to do a deep conditioner every other wash. And then I do use a leave-in. I've talked about that before. But anyway, so I recorded it. I did the deep conditioner. And this morning, and I did that last night. So this morning I get up and go to the gym. And usually my hair is kind of pulled up like in a bun or whatever when I work out. Because, of course, I'm on this fitness, health, lifestyle journey as well. So I pull my hair up. I'm doing my cardio. And then I get ready to do my weights. And I take my hair down because I had it actually pulled a little bit tighter than usual. So I was feeling it. And I don't like to feel any tension on my hair at all. So I was feeling it a little bit. Took the bun down. And, you know, I get compliments, I would say, and I'm at the gym. This is early in the morning, no makeup, just looking rough. I would say I got like 8 compliments within 15, 20 minutes. And I'm talking from a plethora of people, like, you know, black, white, Hispanic, just telling me how pretty my hair is, how shiny it is. And, you know, I had to check it out in the mirror because, again, I'm at the gym. When I took it down, I wasn't in a mirror. I just took it down and kind of, you know, fluffed it up a little bit so it wouldn't be sticking up on my head when I was doing my weights. So I went and looked in the mirror and I'm thinking, look at all this shine. And my conditioner actually leaves my hair very shiny anyway, but for some reason it just seems to be popping with the shine today. So I decided to come on to kind of talk about what I did, show you quickly what I did in a video, and just answer any questions that you have. So I'm gonna turn around so you can see, but I want to get up close so you can see this because it is so super shiny. I hope you can see this. I hope you can see the texture of my hair. Let me see. I hope you can kind of see all of this amazing shine. Now, it feels amazing. It's very soft. It smells amazing. But I'm just kind of in awe of the shine. One of the things that I was concerned about with getting locks was the kind of dull look that some locks, not all of them obviously, that to me they have over time. That, you know, again, I don't do anything according to kind of standard lock standards. I break all those rules. I condition, unlock the ends, wash my hair often. So I don't follow the norm in reference to my locks. But even with that, I was still concerned about the fact that I wanted my hair to stay looking full, to stay looking shiny and fluffy and things of that nature. And one of the reasons I do deep condition is to help my hair keep the frizz, which I honestly believe adds to the fullness. I've said it before, like 278 locks, and I combined a lot at the beginning of my journey, and I was afraid when I combined them that I would lose the fullness of having locks and with breaking it down, because I started off with close to 500. I have 278 now. So I was afraid that I would lose the fullness. So one of the things I purposely set out to do is make sure that some of the frizz, or a lot of the frizz, remained on my locks. And I didn't want to necessarily like pick it out or agitate it in reference to the shaft. I do the ends periodically when I want to make sure that the ends don't have that hard solid lock on it, and I want to keep the curly ends. But I don't do anything necessarily to the shaft, except when there's just so much frizz that every now and then I'll put it inside the lock. So I'm gonna see if I can get close on one or a couple of them so you guys can see how frizzy that is. And I have pictures of right after I wash too. But one of the reasons I deep condition, and I know those steadfast lock community may not agree. And, you know, I do what works for me. So I'm going to say, if it does not work for you, fine. You've got to do you. You got to find out what works for you. I just wanted to tell you kind of what works for me and give you ideas that just because it's taboo in the lock community or it's kind of frowned upon in the lock community does not mean it's necessarily a bad thing, because the things that are absolutely a plus in the lock community, a lot of that did not work for me. Not for what I wanted my hair to look like, not for the aesthetics. It just didn't work for me. So I had to go back to what actually worked for me. So, you know, if this advice helps you or what I do helps you, great. If it does not, that's fine. Do you? And I understand that, because you got to go with the look that you're going for. So my look was, luckily, I got the look that I wanted. But with that said, look at this, man. Look at that shine. Oh, my goodness. I'm just kind of in awe of the shine of that. So even though I just did a twist out video, this video is pretty much, yes, it's a twist out, and it was a twist out on wet hair, but it was more so about the fullness and the shine. So I put conditioner on, and I put a lot of conditioner on my hair, and I rinse it out a long time, a really, really long time, because I do put so much conditioner on my hair. And I'll show you a picture of the conditioner, you know, shortly when I show you actually me doing my hair. But I put conditioner all along the shaft of my hair. I let it stay on there. This is the deep conditioner. I let it stay on there 15, 20 minutes while I'm doing other things around the house. Really no time frame for it. But then I rinse it out. And when I say I rinse a long time, I rinse a long time. The water literally, because I goes from hot or warm to cold and while I'm in the shower, because that's where I actually do my hair. But anyway, I get this amazing shine and look that I'm gonna just have to keep doing. I have no issues with buildup. I have absolutely no issues with lint. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what works for you. And again, if this does not work for you, I got it. Just do you and do what works for you. But I did want to come on because I've been asked about the shine of my hair. I dyed my hair, so I've shown a video in reference to that, especially like the temples, but I do dye my hair. But what actually gives it the shine is that my hair is well conditioned. It's very soft. I have no adverse effects of conditioning my hair. I have no buildup. But again, I think it depends upon the kind of conditioner, the kind of products you use, and if you're actually rinsing your hair long enough to actually get those products out. I spent actually quite a bit of money on conditioners that are water soluble and that will rinse out, but I still rinse a very, very long time. What I found is a lot of the products that were for locks gave me kind of a gummy feel on my scalp. And again, I didn't try a whole lot of products, but I did try some. But it gave me kind of gummy feel, and it made my hair kind of feel kind of gummy. And I don't like that. I like my hair to be full, fluffy, light, you know, so I'll spend a couple extra dollars just to make sure that my hair has the aesthetics that I want and the feel that I want. So I'm gonna turn around so you can see it. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section, and I will respond as soon as possible. Please like, share, and subscribe. Again, I'm going to turn around so you can kind of get the 360 of this twist out, but more so you can see the shine and the volume that's currently in my locks. So here we go. So I'm gonna have to do a little, you know, so y'all can see that bounce. I'm just saying, my hair's light. So here's the back. And I hope you guys can see that. Here's the other side. And here's the front again. So again, please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. I would love to help you on your lock journey if I can answer any questions. I'm not a loctician, but I know what has worked for my hair for the last 4 years. And I'm pretty good as far as hair health and keeping your hair healthy. The best advice I can give you when you have locks is it's still your hair. You know, it is still, think about your hair health when you think about locking your hair, and that you're treating it well, and that you're conditioning it or putting something on it, oils or, you know, anything of that nature, whatever makes your hair healthier. I don't do oils at all, but then I didn't do oils at all when I was a loose natural. So oils don't work for me, but really conditioning my hair does. So if you have any questions, like I said, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. So I've washed my hair, and now I divided it into 4 sections, and now I'm putting my conditioner on my hair. As you see, I'm putting a lot of conditioner on there, and that's just my preference. I'm very heavy-handed with the conditioner because I do rinse it out an extremely long time. So I'm going through kind of picking out hair on the length of the locks. I'm going through to the ends of the locks as well, and kind of pulling so I can keep my ends curly. One of the reasons I put conditioner on the scalp and do that little separation is it helps my locks not stick together. Mind you, because this is such a moisturizing conditioner, you really need to be careful if your hair is not locked, because this conditioner will absolutely cause your hair to unlock if your hair is not fully locked. So even though I love this conditioner, if you decide to use it, please make sure that your hair is fully locked, or you're going to have a problem. Again, this conditioner is extremely thick, so you really need to make sure that you rinse it a very long time. So I'm going through, kind of pushing it through my ends. Here I am actually doing my my twist. I actually put 3 locks in each section, and I just went down to the end and put a little band on the end. And I'm gonna show you one more time, but of course most people know how to do twists. There are 3 locks altogether per twist, and I'm just going to the end. I'm spraying actually water on my hair, so that's just water after a good rinse. I'm totally through twisting my hair, and this is the next morning with me and my takedown. So I'm actually just kind of taking it down. I am fluffing it out now, making sure I pay attention to the roots to make sure that the roots are not sticking together, so there's no issue with my hair later. Because my locks are not huge, I need to make sure that they don't stick and cause problems later when it's time for reties or whatnot. So I'm just going through, fluffing it out, making sure I got all the twists out, and really starting to like the look. So now I'm thinking I need to put on some makeup and see what this looks like. So here's the end results. Thank you for watching.